Welcome to another video, guys. This time I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video, and the subject is a Logitech Orion Spark keyboard, which is a full mechanic gaming keyboard, the fastest in the market. So this is how the package looks like. This is the Orion Spark brand, and yeah, let's open it up. So as you see, this is a blue package. You open it up and it comes with a carton case, protective case. So you see the G brand of the Logitech franchise. This is the G series, the new G series keyboard, and you see the G there as well, the G case, the macro case. So you can configure it up. There is the dock release, which you can actually put your smartphone there, and you see the G910 as the code, the palm resting space, and it's a very light keyboard. As you see, I can easily control that with a few fingertips. This is the cable, long enough for you to set it up to your USB port of your computer, and these are the case. Very light, it feels very smart, and this is the protective case. It comes off with a new set of palms. In case that you damage it off or something happens, you have the substitution of the palm face. So this is the, you see, it's a strong case as well, which is just cool for this kind of things. So I advise you protect it like that. You can easily put that cable each side on that, and yeah, as you see, yeah, well, it got stuck there. You put it up exactly like this. A very handy cartoon box, and yeah, G, nice one. So this first video of unboxing series ends here. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Farewell.